Every cashew begins its journey under the first light of dawn.
Each nut hangs like a promise, waiting to be gathered by hand. The nut is separated from the fruit, one by practiced hands.
Days of sunlight harden the shells before the journey begins. The harvest, now dried and bagged, begins its slow journey out of the fields. From field to depot, the raw cashew travels the oldest way.
Every sack is weighed and recorded before it moves on.
Loaded and secured, the harvest is ready for the road.
The road to the factory begins, carrying nature's harvest forward. Kilometers pass as the raw nuts move closer to transformation.
Go ahead. At last, the harvest arrives at the gates of transformation.
Machines take over where hands once carried the load. Inside, the raw harvest finds its first resting place.
Every load is verified before it enters the processing line. Only the best raw material is cleared to move forward.
Deeper into the facility, the transformation is about to begin. Batch by batch, the raw cashews are staged for their first industrial step.
A human eye still catches what no machine can.
Vibration and airflow strip away everything but the nut itself. Precision begins here, a toddy, every batch measured to the gram. Heat and steam prepare the shell for what comes next. 20 minutes of steam softens the shell, hardening the nut within.
From fire and steam, the cashew moves toward its next transformation. Keep it moving! Watch the flow rate!
Cool airlocks in the change steam has already begun.
This is where nature's harvest becomes a global product.
Every worker begins the day the same disciplined way. Hygiene and safety come first, before the work begins.
One continuous system, transforming raw nuts into refined product. Each tray carries thousands of nuts toward the most delicate step. Here, skill and precision meet at every single nut. One motion, one crack, bend and tend, a skill perfected over years.
Inside every broken shell waits the prize, the whole kernel.
Nothing is wasted there. Even the shell has its own purpose. Controlled heat draws out moisture, kernel by kernel. Dried and firm, the kernel is ready to shed its final skin. Machines now take on the delicate task of skin removal. Layer by layer, the kernel reveals its pure ivory color.
Every kernel now faces its first true inspection.
cameras and air jets catch what the human eye might miss. Human hands still hold the final say on quality. Every kernel finds its grade, its size, its purpose.
Fire brings out the deep golden roast, and the world recognizes. Minutes of heat transform flavor, color, and aroma all at once.
Roasted to perfection, the kernel now needs only to cool. As the kernels cool, the factory's most advanced systems await.
Not every journey crosses oceans. Some simply reach the next town.
Even in a factory of machines, human moments matter most. Behind every smooth-running machine is careful, constant care. Consistency is the quiet victory, repeated every single day.
The factory never rests. One shift flows seamlessly into the next.
Every pouch on this truck carries a story that began in an orchard. From this gate, the product begins its journey to the world. And this is how modern factories produce cashews from start to finish. From orchard to shelf, every step shaped by care and precision. As day turns to evening, the factory's rhythm continues on.
This warehouse stands as proof of a process perfected. Every pallet here represents the full journey, start to finish. Behind every full shelf lies a warehouse of finished promise. Day or night, the standard of care never changes. Even as the sun sets, the work inside never truly stops.
Each worker carries pride home, knowing their part in something larger.
Trust, built through every step, now rests in a single pouch.
And here, the product finally meets the hands of the customer.
From factory floor to local shelf, the journey completes itself.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.
From this factory, the product now reaches toward distant shores. Massive machines now carry forward what small hands first gathered. Sealed for the world, this container carries a factory's work within.
Every inch of space used, every pallet secured for the sea ahead.
For international journeys, an even higher standard of care applies.
Paperwork as precise as the product itself, ready for customs.
Oversight at every level ensures nothing is left to chance.
As one shipment leaves, another begins its own journey inward. Every station, every worker, every machine, one unified process. The rhythm of the factory continues, unbroken and steady.
Here, technology takes the final steps in perfecting every kernel.
Every kernel is scanned, measured, and verified in an instant.
Machines now sort with a speed no human hand could match. Invisible dangers are caught before they ever reach a package. Every gram is accounted for, batch after batch after batch. Thousands of eyes, digital and tireless, watch every single piece.
Behind every automated system, human oversight remains essential.
Every batch now carries its own identity, traceable from here forward.
Further down the line, even packing has become an art of automation.
A fine mist of flavor coats every kernel evenly, no spot missed.
Flavored and ready, the kernels move toward their final shaping.
Precision now takes center stage, refining every last detail. Even a millimeter of difference determines a kernel's final category. One last human glance ensures nothing slips through. A final glaze locks in freshness and that signature shine. Polished and perfect, the kernels now face their final judgment.
Before the world sees this product, science must approve it first. Moisture levels must sit within a precise, narrow range. Safety is confirmed at the microscopic level, unseen but essential.
Every batch is screened to meet the strictest international standards.
Taste and texture are judged by trained palates before approval.
With approval granted, the kernels are cleared for the world. Approval received, the final stage of the journey begins. The packaging line springs to life, ready for full production.
Exact portions, filled in fractions of a second.
Sealed airtight, freshness is locked in for the journey ahead.
Every pouch now carries its own traceable history.
One last invisible check ensures absolute safety.
Individual pouches now come together as finished cases.
Speed and consistency finish what human hands began. Each case now bears its full identity, ready for the world. Layer by layer, a full pallet takes shape with mechanical precision. Wrapped tight, the pallet is ready for the journey ahead. From production floor to storage, the finished product moves on. A vast warehouse holds the fruits of every stage before it.
Every pallet is tracked precisely, ready for the moment it's needed. Orders are fulfilled with the same precision as production itself. The final count begins before the product leaves the factory gates.
Precision guides the truck into position for loading.
Every pallet finds its place, secured for the road ahead.
Secured and sealed, the shipment is ready to leave.
All right, manifest signed, everything looks good to go.
Perfect. See you next run.
One final signature, and the journey outward begins.